Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing LeetCode 1662, check if two string arrays are equivalent. This is as part of my raw and authentic LeetCode walkthroughs playlist. So I haven't done this problem, I have no submissions, and I'm just going to give this one a go. So this is an easy problem. Given two string arrays, word1 and word2, return true if the two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if the array elements concatenated in order forms the string. Okay. So here we have A, B, and then C, and then here we have A, and then B, C. So when you add these up, you get A, B, C, you get A, B, C. So that's true. Here you have A, C, B, and here you have A, B, C. Those are not going to be the same. And then here you have A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. Here you also have A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. So that should also be true. Okay, perfect. This isn't actually that bad of a problem. So what I'll do is I will have two strings. So I have string 1 and I will have string 2. And they'll both just be empty strings. And what I'll do is I will go through word 1 and I will just add each word in word 1, like each like string, and I will add it to this string as an accumulator. And then and I will do the same for string 2. So I'll go through word 2 and I'll add each individual string to string 2. And if string 1 and string 2 are equal, then I will just return whatever that boolean is. So for word in word 1, string 1 plus or equal word. And then what you also want to do, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. For word in word 2, string 2 plus or equal word, and then just return string 1 equal to string 2. Okay, beautiful. I kind of want to just submit this. I think this all makes good sense. Let's see if this works. Okay, wow. This might be like a super short video. This is good on runtime. Perfect. Memory complexity could perhaps be a bit better. So we're storing two strings, and that would not be great for memory complexity. So what I'm thinking is maybe... Oh, actually, these are lists. I'm pretty sure there's like a function that I can use that... like there's a join function or something. Wait, this actually might be a lot easier. I won't store them, but like you could say, okay, I think how it goes is there's like some string that is like the value that goes between the joined elements of the list. So if you join word 1, let me just try this real quick. Okay, we already know this works. I can just get that from the solution if I need it. But let's say, like, if I try to return this, what does this look like? ABC, ACB. Okay, beautiful. So then I just have to return this is equal to the same thing, but for word 2 now. Let's see if this works. This should work. I think this checks out. Okay, beautiful. Let's see if this helps with our memory complexity. So right now we have 17.92 megabytes. We're not storing any strings, so hopefully... Okay, interesting. I guess, like... I mean, you're still, like, storing these, but not in variables. So, I guess maybe this wouldn't help a whole lot. And then you're just comparing them against each other immediately. But these are still going to be the same strings, so I presume this, yeah, this shouldn't really help, actually. Yeah, well, I mean, I guess like this is like a very simple and straightforward way to solve it. So like I guess I'll just leave it there. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys think, like, I mean, there probably is like a better way to solve this, but I feel like this is the most straightforward and intuitive way to solve it. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. But if there is a way that like maximizes both of these, or sorry, I guess minimizes both of these, or like beats the most percentage, then let me know down in the comments below. I'll check that out for sure. But besides that, that's the end of today's video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.